Samsung has rolled out the One UI 7 beta program for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, bringing a set of software refinements to its latest foldable devices. While this update doesn't completely change the overall design, it does fix a long-standing issue with the Now Bar feature, making it more useful than before, even outperforming its implementation on the Galaxy S25 series. For those unfamiliar, the Now Bar is a small pill-shaped icon that appears on the status bar and lock screen to show ongoing activities such as active calls, timers, navigation, and media playback. This feature is designed to make it easier to keep track of important tasks at a glance. However, Samsung has strangely limited its functionality on the Galaxy S25 series and other devices running One UI 7 from the start. One of the most frustrating issues has been the absence of the media playback pill in the Now Bar on the Galaxy S25 and some of the latest A-series phones. Typically, when playing music or a video, this pill should appear in the status bar, allowing quick access to playback controls. However, on these devices, it simply doesn't show up. To make matters worse, Samsung has also removed the standard media playback widget that used to appear in the notification panel in previous One UI versions. As a result, the only way to manage media playback is by pulling down the quick panel, adding an unnecessary step to something that was once effortless. What makes this even more surprising is that this issue was present in the One UI 7 beta for the Galaxy S24 series as well. Many users hope that Samsung would address it before the final release, but it remains unresolved. This has left many people frustrated, especially those who frequently use the Now Bar for media control. However, things are different for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. On these foldable devices, the Now Bar and the media playback widget function exactly as expected. The pill appears in the status bar when playing music or videos, making it easy to access playback controls. Additionally, the traditional media playback widget is back in the notification panel, just like in previous versions of One UI. This difference raises questions about why Samsung has implemented the feature properly on foldable phones, but not on the Galaxy S25 series, even though all these devices are running the same One UI 7 software. There doesn't appear to be a technical reason behind this inconsistency, which suggests that Samsung might still be refining the software. It's possible that a future update will bring back the missing Now Bar functionality to other devices, but there has been no official confirmation yet. Beyond the Now Bar fix, One UI 7 doesn't introduce many major exclusive changes for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6. The overall software experience remains similar to what's found on other Samsung devices running the same update. However, some of the new Galaxy AI features that debuted on the Galaxy S25 series are currently absent from the Fold 6 and Flip 6, at least in this beta version. Samsung's foldable devices continue to offer a unique experience, and it's encouraging to see that they are receiving software updates alongside flagship models. The fact that the Now Bar works as intended on these foldables suggests that Samsung is paying attention to refining its software experience for different device categories. For users who have been looking forward to One UI 7 on their foldable devices, this update is definitely a step in the right direction. The improved Now Bar functionality is a welcome change, and hopefully, Samsung will address the inconsistencies across other devices soon. Let's see how future updates shape the software experience for all Samsung users. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates.